Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to your Shopify collection sidebar. This is incredibly useful because it helps your customers narrow down their search and find exactly what they're looking for, whether they're filtering by size, color, price, or any other product attribute. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to shopify.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your store's admin access. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Now, on the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Click on Online Store. This section is where you control the look and functionality of your storefront, including themes, pages, and navigation settings. It's essentially the design hub for your entire shop. Once you're in the online store section, you'll see your current theme displayed. Right beside it, you'll notice a button that says Edit Theme. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you into the theme customization interface where you can make changes to how your store looks and functions. The page might take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of customizations or apps installed, so just give it a few seconds. After the theme editor loads, look at the top of the screen where you'll see a drop-down menu. By default, it might say Home Page. Click on that drop-down, and from the options that appear, select Collections. Then within that submenu, click on Default Collection. This brings you to the template that controls how your product collections are displayed to customers. Now shift your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of all the sections that make up your collection page. Scroll through or look for the section labeled Product Grid and click on it. This is where the magic happens, as the product grid controls how your items are arranged and what filtering options are available. Once you've selected Product Grid, move over to the right side of the screen. Here you'll find various settings for this section. Look for an option called Filtering and Sorting. Under this heading, you'll see a toggle or checkbox to enable filters. Make sure this is switched on. Enabling this feature allows your customers to interact with filter options when browsing your collections. Right below that, you'll find an option for filter layout. Click on the drop-down menu and choose vertical. This ensures that your filters appear as a sidebar rather than horizontally across the page, giving your customers a clean, organized way to browse through different product attributes. Once you've made these adjustments, don't forget to save your work. Look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. Your changes might take a moment to process and update across your store, so be patient while Shopify applies the new settings. And there you have it. You've successfully added filters to your Shopify collection sidebar, making it easier for your customers to find exactly what they need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.